Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we stand on the precipice of an extraordinary odyssey, ready to unravel the mystique of Iceland, a land where fire and ice converge, creating a tapestry of wonders that beckon the intrepid soul. As we embark on this immersive journey, envision yourself stepping into a realm where nature takes center stage, and the heartbeat of the seasons orchestrates a symphony of breathtaking experiences. Join me, your guide through the Icelandic wilderness, as we navigate the intricacies of each season, peeling back the layers to reveal the enchantment that lies beneath the surface of this Nordic paradise. Our expedition is no fleeting escapade, it's a year-long odyssey, promising a continuous exploration of discovery, where each season paints a new stroke on the canvas of our Icelandic adventure. So, tighten your boots, ready your senses, and let the voyage through Iceland's wonders commence. Let's transport ourselves into the heart of an Icelandic summer, a time when the sun reigns supreme, refusing to dip below the horizon. Picture a land bathed in an ethereal, perpetual golden light, where the boundaries between day and night blur into a seamless dance of hues. This is a realm where time seems to stand still, where the warmth of the sun envelops everything in its embrace. The very essence of summer in Iceland invites us to shed the constraints of conventional time, stepping into a world where daylight becomes an eternal companion. Amidst this perpetual daylight, the temperatures offer a comfortable embrace, ranging from a mild 10 to a balmy 20 degrees Celsius. It's a sweet spot that beckons us to explore, to venture into the untamed beauty of Iceland's highlands. These temperatures provide the perfect conditions for exploration, whether you're hiking through enchanting trails or simply soaking in the panoramic vistas that the highlands unfold. The allure of the highlands, once cloaked in the serene stillness of winter's snow, now reveals its rugged charm, inviting us to unravel the mysteries that lie hidden within. Summer in Iceland is nothing short of a masterpiece painted on the canvas of endless daylight. With the sun hanging low in the sky, we find ourselves in a realm where the concept of night becomes a distant memory. This extraordinary canvas of endless daylight presents a unique opportunity for exploration. Imagine hiking through volcanic landscapes, traversing glacier, or simply reveling in the beauty of untouched nature, all beneath the captivating glow of the midnight sun. As we navigate this luminous landscape, our companions in the sky are none other than the charming puffins. With their whimsical flight patterns, these seabirds add a touch of magic to the Icelandic summer skies. The highlands, once wrapped in the quiet majesty of winter's snow, now unveil a different allure. They become a rugged tapestry, inviting us to trace the contours of their charm, to discover the untamed beauty that lies hidden within their folds. So, fellow adventurers, as we immerse ourselves in this Icelandic summer, let the perpetual daylight and the allure of the highlands guide us into a realm where time seems to stand still, and the beauty of nature unfolds in all its unbridled glory. Our journey has just begun. As the sun begins its gradual descent, bidding farewell to the warmth of summer, fall steps onto the Icelandic stage like a masterful painter, with a palette of red and gold. The transition is palpable, the air becomes crisp, carrying the first whispers of the approaching winter. The temperatures gently cool, creating an atmosphere that invites reflection and introspection. Picture this: a tranquil landscape bathed in the soft glow of autumnal hues, where every leaf seems to have its own story to tell. The once bustling tourist spots now exude a quiet charm as the crowds disperse, allowing for a more intimate connection with the surroundings. It's as if nature itself is preparing for a peaceful slumber, and the stillness that settles over the land is both calming and contemplative. Fall in Iceland is not merely a seasonal shift, it's a whispered secret, a shared understanding among those who venture to seek solace in the changing palette of nature. The vibrant colors of the foliage create a breathtaking tapestry, painting the hills and valleys with shades that range from fiery reds to rich golds. It's an invitation to witness the land's transformation, to be part of a subtle yet profound dance between the elements. As winter wraps its icy fingers around Iceland, the entire landscape undergoes a magical metamorphosis, resembling scenes lifted straight from a fairy tale. Envision vast expanses blanketed in pristine, glistening snow, turning the surroundings into a pristine canvas of white brilliance. The temperatures, gracefully hovering between -1 to 3 degrees Celsius, create a crisp and invigorating atmosphere, inviting adventurers to experience the true essence of winter in its purest form. Yet, amidst this frozen enchantment, Iceland reveals its secret weapon against the cold, the irresistible allure of geothermal hot springs. Imagine submerging yourself in the soothing warmth of these natural baths, surrounded by snow-covered landscapes, creating a surreal contrast between the chill of the air and the comforting embrace of the thermal waters. It's a sensory experience that transcends the ordinary, offering a moment of blissful relaxation amidst the winter's embrace. And then, there are the northern lights, the celestial phenomenon that transforms the winter night sky into a mesmerizing display of dancing colors. Winter in Iceland is not just about enduring the cold, it's an open invitation to witness the awe-inspiring aurora borealis, a cosmic ballet that paints the heavens with hues of green, pink, and violet. Imagine standing beneath this celestial spectacle, awestruck by the ethereal dance unfolding above, as if the heavens themselves are celebrating the beauty of the winter season. In essence, winter in Iceland transcends being merely a season, it becomes a transformative journey into a realm of natural wonders. It's an invitation to embrace the chill, to witness the celestial dance of the northern lights, and to bask in the warmth of geothermal springs. Iceland in winter is a fairy tale come to life, where the beauty of the frozen world is an open invitation to explore, experience, and be enchanted. As the frosty grip of winter releases its hold on Iceland, the landscape undergoes a profound transformation, marking the arrival of spring with a vibrant symphony of renewal. Picture the scene. Once muted hues begin to intensify, and the air, once crisp with winter chill, is now infused with the promise of warmer days. It's a season of rebirth and resurgence, where nature reclaims its vitality. Migratory birds, heralds of the changing season, return to their Icelandic nesting grounds, filling the air with the melodious notes of their homecoming. The skies become a canvas painted with the intricate patterns of their flight, a living testament to the resilience of life in the North Atlantic. Waterfalls, once frozen in the icy grasp of winter, now awaken with newfound vigor. The cascading waters, now liberated from the winter freeze, dance with an exuberance that echoes the joy of the season. The once muted roar becomes a symphony, a harmonious composition of nature's own making. Spring becomes a celebration of life, a manifestation of nature's ability to rejuvenate and regenerate. It's an invitation for us, as observers, to witness the raw power of this transition, a shift from the dormancy of winter to the vibrancy of spring. Every budding leaf, every blooming flower, and every returning bird becomes a testament to the resilience of Iceland's ecosystems, reminding us of the cyclical nature of life and the enduring beauty that emerges from the cold embrace of winter. In the embrace of spring, Iceland beckons us to witness this metamorphosis, inviting us to partake in the joyous spectacle of life's reawakening. These festivals, meticulously scattered throughout the year, are not just markers on a calendar, they are dynamic gateways into the beating heart and soul of Iceland. The Reykjavik Arts Festival, held in May, stands as a testament to the nation's artistic prowess, bringing together a diverse array of cultural events. From mesmerizing musical performances to captivating theater productions and thought-provoking visual arts exhibits, this festival transforms Reykjavik into a hub of creativity, inviting both locals and visitors to revel in the vibrancy of Icelandic artistic expression. Moving forward to June 17th, Iceland's Independence Day, the atmosphere takes on a different hue. Parades wind through the streets, flags flutter in the summer breeze, and the entire nation joins in commemorating the day Iceland gained freedom from Danish rule. It's a celebration that goes beyond patriotic displays, echoing the resilience and identity of a nation proud of its history and heritage. The Secret Solstice Festival, held during the summer solstice, is a unique fusion of music and nature. Against the backdrop of Iceland's breathtaking landscapes, local and international artists converge in Reykjavik, creating a musical experience that transcends the ordinary. It's a time when the magic of Iceland's natural wonders merges seamlessly with the enchanting notes and beats of a global musical celebration. These festivals serve as more than mere entertainment, they are portals into the spirit of the Icelandic people. They provide an opportunity to immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of Icelandic culture, to witness the passion and creativity that define this nation. Through these events, we not only celebrate Iceland's past and present, but also glimpse into the aspirations and dreams that propel its future. Each festival becomes a living chapter in the ongoing story of Iceland, adding layers of depth and vibrancy to its cultural narrative. Now, as we step into the shoes of the Icelandic explorer, it's essential to navigate the practicalities that define a successful journey. The varying daylight hours, a symphony conducted by the sun itself, play a pivotal role in shaping our daily escapades. In summer, bask in almost perpetual daylight, providing an extended canvas for exploration, while winter graces us with shorter days and more extended nights, setting the stage for captivating northern lights displays. But daylight is only one part of the equation. The roads, etched into Iceland's diverse terrain, present a unique challenge. Road conditions can vary dramatically, especially in the more remote areas. So, before we embark on our journey, let's consult the maps, check for road closures, and ensure our vehicles are equipped for the Icelandic adventure that awaits. As we chart our course through this land of fire and ice, let's not forget the elusive northern lights. To witness this celestial spectacle, we must synchronize our plans with the darkness of winter nights. Timing is everything, and strategic planning increases our chances of witnessing the aurora borealis in its full, mesmerizing glory. Now, with these practical considerations in mind, we ensure that our exploration aligns harmoniously with the rhythms of Iceland. It's not merely a journey, it's a dance with the elements, a collaboration with the very heartbeat of this extraordinary land. As we draw the curtain on our exploration through the seasons of Iceland, each segment has been a revelation, uncovering a new layer of this Nordic wonderland. Whether you find yourself entranced by the perpetual daylight of summer, intoxicated by the vibrant hues of fall, enchanted by the frozen fairy tale of winter, or moved by the symphony of awakening in spring, Iceland, like a master storyteller, stands ready to weave a unique tale for every explorer. So, fellow adventurers, as you embark on the crafting of your own Icelandic tale, remember this is more than a mere journey through seasons, it's an odyssey. It's a venture through the eons of time, a cultural tapestry woven through centuries, and an immersion in the raw, unbridled beauty of nature. Let Iceland be your guide, and let your story be etched into the ancient stones of this land. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupeak.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. Until our paths cross again in this enchanting realm, happy exploring. May your adventures be as boundless as the Icelandic skies, and as rich as the tales whispered by the winds that sweep across its landscapes. Farewell, fellow travelers.